God. Oh my God, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. They're literally everywhere. There's like hundreds of them. I don't know, maybe thousands of them. Heck, I don't know, there may be millions of them. Run, get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Crap. Oh crap, there ain't no chopper. Ain't no chopper. Get to the ATV. They're everywhere. Run for your lives, millions of them. Hey everybody, so it's finally happened. We are down here in our woods and it's finally that time that I think it's the 13 and 17-year cicadas have came out. And man, yesterday they just started going crazy singing. They're literally, I don't know, thousands of them down in here. So I'm gonna shut up for a little bit so you can start hearing some of this. And I'll show you some of their exoskeletons, or whatever you want to call their shells that they left behind. They are literally everywhere. They actually were a little bit louder first thing this morning, so I should have got down here a little sooner, but they are everywhere. I've only seen a few of the live ones up close. I haven't been able to get one close enough I could get on the camera. Unfortunately, the GoPro don't have a zoom on it when it's recording, so I can't zoom up into the trees. This is cool. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with everybody. Our house is, probably 150 yards up that way, and we can hear them at the house too where we're on the deck and everything. So a lot of people may not like this, but we've been waiting for it ever since we heard they was going to arrive. So we love hearing them sing. I imagine in the next days to come they'll get even more of them, because they're still, I think, some emerging, and they are literally everywhere in here. So everyone, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Check out all our other videos and everything. But this is awesome. So please give us support. Subscribe to our channel and be sure to leave a comment. Hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope y'all get to hear this too. Take care.